In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an HBO Max gift card. Whether you're treating yourself or surprising someone else, I'll walk you through the entire process so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. First, open your web browser and head to a trusted retailer's website. Popular options include large stores you probably already know, such as Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, or Target. Make sure you're on the official site and, if the page lists third-party sellers, confirm the seller is reputable. It also helps to check that the gift card is valid in your region before you buy. Next, use the site's search bar and type Max Gift Card or HBO Max Gift Card. Some retailers still use the older HBO Max naming, so try both phrases. Open the product page and read the description to confirm it's specifically for Max streaming credit, not a different type of card. Now choose the format that works best for you. If you need it quickly, pick digital email delivery. This is usually the fastest option and often arrives within minutes. If you prefer something to wrap or include in a card, choose a physical gift card. Physical cards can be shipped to your address or set for in-store pickup, depending on the retailer's options and availability. Select the amount you want to load onto the card, such as $25, $50, or $100. Pick a value that fits your budget or the length of viewing time you have in mind. Prices and availability can vary by store, and in some regions, taxes or fees may apply at checkout. Add the gift card to your cart. Before you proceed, double-check the quantity, the format you selected, and the card value. When you're ready, go to checkout. For digital delivery, you'll enter the email address where the code should be sent. For a physical card, enter your shipping address or choose a pickup location. Be sure the email address is correct. Delivery errors are the most common issue with digital cards. Complete your purchase using the payment methods the store accepts. Most retailers support debit or credit cards, and many also offer PayPal or similar options. Follow the prompts to confirm your order. After payment, you'll receive your card. Digital purchases are delivered to your email with a code and basic redemption instructions. Check your inbox and spam folder. Physical cards are mailed or made available for pickup. And that's it. You now have Max subscription credit ready to use or gift. Keep the code secure, save your receipt, and enjoy the shows.